So today's graph of the day is a dot plot. And you've made dot plots before, I'm sure. It's one of the easiest ones to make. And again, you do not have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. You only had to do that with the box and whisker plot. And we're only going to do one example together because I do feel like this is going to be pretty easy for you. So let's begin. It says the heights of 20 basketball players in inches are given below, and then there are the 20 numbers. Make a dot plot using the number line. Dot plots are always on number lines, and you're going to either use a dot or an X to represent each of the basketball players. So starting at 68, find it on the number line and put, I'm going to use X's. Put an X. Put an X above 70 to represent this person, another X above 70 to represent that person, and so on. Make sure that whenever you construct these, your X's or dots are evenly spaced out so that it's not sloppy looking. I'm going to pause the video and finish making this graph so that you don't have to watch. Okay, so here it is. I've placed all of my data points onto my number line, and each of those X's represents a person. So there's 20 X's to represent the 20 basketball players. Then you're going to answer some questions about it. It says, what is the range of the data? Remember, range is the biggest number minus the smallest. So our largest recorded height was 84 inches. Our smallest recorded height was 68 inches, so you will subtract them. And I can't subtract them unless I stack them. Let's see. Borrow, make that a 7, make this a 14. That'd be 6 and 1. So your range is 16 inches. And then how many players were taller than 70 inches? You're going to get a variation of questions that are like this. Some of them might just straight up say how many players were there, and then you would have had to count, and we already know the answer is 20 in this case. But anyway, how many players were taller than 70 inches? So excluding 70, they want to know what's taller. Starting at 71, we need to count all the X's that are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 players. So yeah, that's the gist of a dot plot. Pretty simple. You can email me if you have any questions since I am not there today, but good luck on your work and be good for the sub.